Okay, so the Arabic language is a Semitic language. It's read from right to left. It is spoken by 22 countries and over 422 million people. So it might be fun to learn. So I'm going to go through the alphabet. Feel free to repeat after me, or not if you don't want to. Okay, so starting from, again, it starts from the right, goes to the left. So alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, rai, zay, sin, shin, sad, dad, ta, tha, ain, ghain, he, kaf, kaf, lam, mim, nun, ha, waw, and ya. Okay, so we're going to go over some greetings in Arabic. So hello is actually marhaba, which is similar to Turkish, but most people greet, like just walking down the street or something, most people say assalamu alaikum, which actually means peace be on you, but it's most commonly used when entering a house. Walking down the street is always used. So it's good to know. Again, hello is marhaba and assalamu alaikum. And then how are you is kayf halik for a girl, or for a female, sorry. And kayf halik for male, it sounds very similar, but it's a little bit tonal. For females, it's halak. Sorry, for males, it's halak, and females, it's halik. So yeah, sorry. Goodbye is masalame. Again, masalame. And then thank you is shukran. Sorry is asif. And you're welcome is afwan. I'm gonna go over it again. Sorry, I messed up on the second one. Hello is assalamu alaikum or marhaba. How are you is kayf halak for female. For male is that. Kayf halak is for male. Kayf halik is for female. Goodbye is masalame. Thank you is shukran. Sorry is asif. You're welcome is afwan. Okay, so my name is Isme. And then you just say your name. What is your name is Shu Ismek for male, Shu Ismik for female. Nice to meet you. Most people don't say nice to meet you at the end, but you can use Fursa Saide, which means like happy opportunity. And then nice to meet you too. And then As'ad, which means that I'm the happiest. Again, my name is Isme. What is your name is Shu Ismek for male and Shu Ismik for female. Nice to meet you for Saide. And nice to meet you too, and then As'ad. Okay, numbers. Numbers in Arabic is arkam, and you can repeat after me. Number 1 is wahad, اثنين, ثلاثة, أربعة, خمسة, ستة, سبعة, ثمانية, تسعة, عشرة. Okay, so example dialogue.
Fun. Okay.
Start.
Okay. مرحبا.
مرحبا شو اسمك؟
اسمي بانو. شو اسمك أنت؟
اسمي دانا. فرصة سعيدة.
أنا أسعد.
Yeah.
Okay.
Feel free to practice that.
Okay, we're just gonna wait a couple of seconds for you to practice.